Hello. Guess what I have? Ah! I have the M2 MacBook Air in Starlight right here. It was a birthday present since my 18th birthday was last weekend, but this is probably coming in like May, so a long time ago. And I am so grateful for my parents as they bought this for me as a college and birthday gift. And I'm just so excited because I also got Final Cut Pro with it and I'm so excited to play with it. So I'm Solongo, welcome to my channel. If you want to become my internet bestie, hit the subscribe button. Here are my Instagrams. And I really want to open this, so yay! Let's get into it. Of course we have a drink, Snapple Apple. I feel like this is making my throat really dry, but I don't know. Here's the tab. Oh my god. Oh my god. All right. Here is the Starlight. I got the 256 gigabytes. That's because I also have an external hard drive, so I just thought it was kind of unnecessary to spend more, you know. So I have a 1 terabyte external hard drive. All right, let's open this. I was in between Starlight and Silver because I was afraid this was going to be too yellow, but we'll see. We'll see how it looks. Ooh. Okay, so here she is. I kind of just adjusted so you can see everything and it's against the light, but oh my god. Okay, we're gonna open this last, as always. Oh, she is pretty heavy, but I have the 2015 MacBook Air, so all right. Ooh, look how pretty she is. It is a bit colored like the MacBook, the same color. I have no idea what I just said, please ignore that, but I really like this braided cord here. Hopefully it doesn't get yellow. Ooh. Then of course we have our charging block here. I like how smaller it got, but this aside, let's open this baby up. OMG, 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 this is not real. Okay. Wait, she is so pretty. Free her from her cage. Oh my goodness. Okay, it's like in different lighting it seems different, but it's so pretty. Oh my god, do you see that? I don't know if you can get, oh MG. Wait, I love it. I love it. All right. So here is the Starlight color. I feel like that's like the best representation that you're gonna get on the camera, but here she is. She is actually so pretty. I'm actually really glad I got Starlight. I was expecting something super yellow, like I don't know, like a really yellow bronze gold, but it is very champagne like, so trust the people on the internet, I guess. Okay, let's open her up. Let's open her up together. I like that sound. Woo! Here she is. Oh, and the hinge is pretty strong too. It says hello. Oh my, whoa. This is so pretty. Hello. Oh my god. Ah! All right, so I have been kind of setting everything up. I put in all of my like Gmail, like, you know, all of the email stuff, and I just did the Spotify, and now I'm going to like actually customize it, if that makes sense. I want to put like a really cute background, and I'm so excited to take you with me. So we're gonna have to search on Pinterest, figure out, I don't know, I guess like the vibes that we're going for. Maybe I might make one myself, we'll see. So strap in, buckle up, we are going in. Also, these buttons feel so weird to me because they're kind of like, they're not flat like some models are, but they're not as bulkier as the old ones, if that makes sense. So I'm just trying to get used to it, but I absolutely love this. I absolutely love it. Wow. Wow. All right, so I just made this wallpaper on Canva. If you guys want to get it, it is just on my Pinterest, but it's really cute. It just says divine timing, and I don't know, I just feel like it fits with the color of the laptop. I'm balancing you guys on this like nut box, this nut like hand, so hopefully it works. So it has been a few days, slay, and I haven't gotten the accessory to allow me to like connect my SD card. What is happening? Okay, so I haven't been able to play with Final Cut Pro and this MacBook overall because one, I have lots of schoolwork and IB exams are coming, study vlogs coming, but also I don't have the accessory that allows me to connect the SD card to this MacBook, since, you know, this only has 2 Thunder ports, you know, there's no SD card slot that I can, you know, put the SD card in. So we're gonna open it today. I am extremely sorry, I'm being very paranoid because I just scratched my ring against it. Okay, that's just me with new electronics. But here we are. I have my carrier case in here for my MacBook and the accessory, so I am very excited, and they're all just really pretty colors. Oh, here. Oh, I'm so excited to, ooh, this looks like a pretty pink. So I heard that like the cases on the MacBook aren't as good for the device, so I don't really want to take that risk. So here we are. We have the USB hub. If my camera would like to focus, so we have the USB hub. It kind of has like the SD card and also like the other USB formats. and I got it in purple. We're gonna unbox that in a minute, but this is my MacBook cover. Look at how cute it is. It's from Amazon, from Tom Talk. I heard really good things about it, and look, it's pretty thick, so I'm sure it's going to protect it well. If you guys do get the new M2, make sure you get the 14-inch. Because of course the 13-inch is not gonna fit the new MacBook. This is really cute actually. So it just has the logo. It has, ooh, it's a zipper. I did not know that. We have this zipper compartment. That's gonna be so handy to put my charger in. Ah, I'm so excited. Let's open this part up. Let's see what's inside. All right. Ooh. Doesn't smell that bad. Look at how fuzzy this material is. Like, you hear that? You can kind of see it with my hand, friends. It's really soft and fuzzy and cozy. Oh, it looks so good. Let me demonstrate. So, let's say, oh, my work is over. I'll just put it in this bag. You know? So we just put her in. Oh my god, she perfectly fits in. How great is that? Look. So, here's the MacBook. It's literally on the brim with some space, but like once you zip it, that's how it will look. And then you just take it out. Nice! Wait, I love this. Okay, cool. Let's open this, the most important part of this actually, so I can actually edit my videos. Hello. All right, there's so many colors to choose from, but I didn't want to get like a boring color, so I got purple. Someone complained that it was like a lighter purple than advertised, but I'm fine with a lighter purple as well. Dun, 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 dun. Ooh, that's so pretty. Look at that. Oh yeah, look at that. All right. Oh, girl, you're so cute. So it's just like a really long cord. And then, ooh, slay. It has all of the ports on there. SD card, USBs. I don't know what these two are, but it's okay. I have the things that I need. And I can put that in this little pouch here, you know? Stick it right in. Boom. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So, that is all for the accessories and the unboxing of the MacBook. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit the subscribe button if you want to become my internet bestie. Follow my Instagrams. I also do post on my spam, but like not that much. That's just me with almost every social media though, like we've already discussed. But I hope you enjoyed the video. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Boop.